Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
Yeah, Matt McIntosh.
Okay.
And I've got a custom built ZV5 18 built by Marvin West. And I've got a Terrence Space 8K on it.
Nice. 118 6th order wall build. Very nice. Do you know your tuning specs on it at all?
Yes, I'm tuned to 25.
Okay.
Yeah, 25 on the low side, 47 on the high side.
Sweet. And that's like a 8-inch port?
8-inch arrow.
Very nice. Looks good. Who built it?
Me and my cousin. We built it in 5 days, about 5 years ago, for Sundown Show.
Yes, sir.
This box was a 4th order for 2 SA18s, and I just got lucky making it a 6th order. So,
there you go. I see it. So it was a 4th order 218s. You made it into a 6th.
Absolutely.
That's the perk of if you blow a sub or you change it up or change something else, then you can try
I'll
it different.
be honest, it's not as loud with 118 as it was with 2, but it is windier with
Windier?
118.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's see if I can get
And if you like lows, you're probably happier.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. It slaps the lows, and I mean, the sub's not even broke in yet.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. Demo time.
All right.
All right. What was your name?
Matt.
Matt.
McIntosh.
All right. Everybody give a like to Matt.
It'll play on up there in frequency. I
Yeah.
mean, it really will. I could pick up a t-shirt with it. I can't
That's
keep
awesome.
it floating, but I
Yeah.
can pick it up.
You'll pick it up, yeah. Thank you very much,
once
man.
I get it broke in, I'm gonna be floating.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, I definitely appreciate it.
Oh, yeah,
man.
you're welcome. Thank you for the demo.
Yeah, man, it's the first time I've been on YouTube.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, man. Message me on Facebook or Instagram, Jacob Vile. I'll get you up real quick.
Awesome.
Yeah, man.
Awesome.
Everybody give him a like. Matt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah.
Take a picture real quick. Is that all right? Take a picture real quick.
I don't care. It's a fresh sub. It's not even broken. Nothing more than a recall.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.